hope you don't mind, but could you tell me, where the hell is the boss?
お前は遅すぎた。
What? Did you call me a stinky penguin?
No, but I know a guy who could get you one.
I can hear your thoughts. Stop!
Worry not, you are still a child of God. You're not fooling anyone, fraud.
Ну да, твоя правда. Меня звать Кейт, а ты вот Энна.
Aha, you look like a fellow entrepreneur. Let me shake your hand to collect your genius germs.
죄송해요. 제 업무표에 따르면 악수는 제가 하는 일에 포함되어 있지 않습니다.
I am the boss.
Ha! Boss of what? Hogwash? Say, are you a professional stalker? Don't take it personally.
No. Common mistake, but sad mistake.
Crowd door, is it? Sounds like we've got busyness there. Huh? That is most categorically doable. You must be the entity that figured out where our target was. Is that verifiably true? Heel frog, ping me in some moments. Did I catch you at an okay time? I'm afraid that the smoke here is polluting our lungs. Let's cut the crap. Yes, you will get rid of it for us so I can deal with the man in charge. Time to get to work. You fool! Sponsor my demons! Feed me the cash! Bless you for your business. Because it will be lost in the other person's mind. I'm here for our pending business with your stupid boss! Wow. Let me do some research and get back to you. Damn it! Shut up! You know, I don't even believe anything, but you're bleeding out some real bullshit here. You're a fluke.